Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone or iPad after iOS 16 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, firstly, turn off Wi-Fi and reconnect on your iPhone. So turn off the Wi-Fi and then reconnect it. So, and the next solution is enable and disable airplane mode. So for this, enable airplane and then turn this off again. After this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to right, then open the lock screen here, and the next solution is forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin. So for this, open settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the I in the right corner, then tap on forget this network and rejoin again. So, and the next solution is turn off VPN if you are using VPN. So turn off the VPN. So like this, I have connected the VPN and then disconnect it. And the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so simply update your iPhone to the latest next version. So after updating your iPhone, go back, and the next and last solution is reset network settings. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer, reset, and then reset network settings. So guys, simply tap on reset network setting. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone Wi-Fi issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.